A lot of drilling dust is produced when using a conventional drill bit. This requires additional work and time effort for the drill hole cleaning and is also harmful to health. The Fischer hollow drill bit FHD enables drilling with low dust. In addition, it ensures a safe and efficient fixing of anchors. The immediate extraction of the drilling dust of the drill tip provides a clean and healthy drilling process. Furthermore, when a hollow drill bit is regulated by the respective approval, normal drill hole cleaning of chemical anchors can be omitted. The centering tip allows accurate positioning on uneven surfaces, which reduces slipping. Wear marks make the wear limits clearly visible. Precision tips of carbide metal boards provide fast drilling progress. Thus, a lot of time can be saved. This also shows the direct comparison with a conventional drill bit. The Fischer hollow drill bit produces less drilling dust and drills faster at the same time. The drill bit eliminates the risk of insufficient cleaning during the application and provides optimal functioning. The clear winner, the Fischer hollow drill bit FHD, the perfect solution for fast and healthy drilling in various materials. For drilling with low dust, as well as for efficient and approved anchoring. The Fischer hollow drill bit FHD